and
Oh, yeah.
I could not. I got all the scripting in, but I couldn't get it to work. I think. Do I need to download something before the scripting will work?
No, it depends on what scripting that you went to. So what scripting like are you using C# or are you actually using GD Quest?
It was GD script. So it was like give me a sec. I got all the scripting in, but I
Oh,
couldn't get it to
fantastic.
work.
We're live. Zoom is working pretty good so far.
I had I was looking through like a tutorial of how to do it, and the dude like typed out all the script and everything.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
great. I was because what I figured is it's better to do a car controller for what we're doing, because we're doing, oh, well, it depends on what they use. Was it actually kinematic, or was it what we're using? What's the node we're using again?
Oh, yeah, I don't know. I don't think he said what it was.
Well, because if you're using the wrong script for the wrong type of node, that's not going to work either.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay. Come up with, yeah. So what do we kind of call this? The Army Power Hour. I guess this will call it. I'm advertising this now on Twitter. No one will show. Because they're not proper advertising. That's right. Here we go. Game dev. Good morning. That's what we'll call it. Ooh, game dev. Good morning. All right. I got it. Yeah, game dev. Good morning. What a title. Crap, Ola. I should have thought about this before. Dev. Game dev. Good morning. I love that. Say it back. Say it back. Say it back. Or oh no, game dev. I got it. Grab your coffee. Grab your coffee. And maybe join our army to help take over the world. maybe join our experiment and help take over the world. Oh, yeah, okay, take over the world. All right, okay, put a link on it. Oh, sorry, experiment. Put some advertising on this thing here. All right, okay. In tandem. I can't spell tandem to save my life. Oh my gosh, I just spelled is it TAN?
TANDEM.
DAM?
DE.
Okay. Tandem, not tandem. I was putting dumb in there. All right.
Tandem.
In tandem with Cardano Gaming Guild.
Yeah, so it was input key. Hang on.
We really got to get a better tag. You know, when I put Cardano Gaming, I get the other gaming people, which is fine, but I'd like, is it C Gaming? What the heck is our tag here?
What the fuck was that?
G. Oh my gosh, Cardano Crocs on here. Come on. Oh, feel free to share your screen if you want to, or if you just want to talk it through, it's fine. What?
It says.
Oh, there you go. It's my fault. I do that to everybody. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Do that to everybody.
Is there a way for me to share my?
Yeah, you just hit there and share everything. But I want you to be more cautious now, because if I'm broadcasting, definitely don't share anything that is pornography, because it's on YouTube. So I just said that word.
I'm not sharing any pornography. Thank you.
I just said the P word. The algorithm might already flag this video.
Yeah. So it was let me find it real quick. So it was input. I'm trying to remember because I want to be able to remember this stuff.
No, that's the whole point.
Input dot key is pressed. And then it was
Cardano GG. Oh, I guess
P
that's pretty clever.
underscore W. Was it if? It's if input, isn't it? Yeah, it's if. Wait. As you can see, I'm having.
It's okay. As men, we all have performance issues. To be fair, so do women.
But dot key input key. Oh, maybe it's not if. It was just input. Function ready. Input key. Why isn't this working?
I don't know. I'm letting you for. Oh, well, it's.
Oh, there we go. Input dot key is pressed.
Oh, I see what you did. This is fun. Okay,
Key,
keep going.
Key underscore W. And then after that, it was, wait, that's still not right. God damn it. I need to find this video again.
I'm going to say this again. If you are tuning into Good Morning Game Devs, this is going to be a fun thing of watching CMD over here actually catch up and become an actual game developer. You're going to go on the process of his journey.
Yeah.
And maybe see how terrible a teacher I am. Sorry, I'm having way too much fun.
Oh, I think this is it right here. Let me see if this is the video. Yeah, okay. Because it's already got me partially. Yeah, here it is.
Oh, that's great. That is great.
This is it.
Yeah.
Okay. So if input dot is key pressed. So I ended up doing it. He was doing key left and key right and key up and all that stuff, but I was doing WASD instead. Right here.
Okay.
That's it.
Now,
Okay.
now what's going to be great is that to make my life harder is helping you learn this. You're going to do things on your own, which is good. And then I have to try to learn how to get you out of these troubles.
Well,
Oh,
I mean,
God.
it's going to be one of those things where you're probably going to be balancing me more often than not.
I like experimentation. You know, to be honest, when I was doing this with the kids, that was I always wanted exploration, but the problem is that then it's like getting them out would extend the class times, and there's like 3 or 4 of them, so it's really hard. Like, you know, structure versus just chaos. We can learn from the chaos. And BitK.
If input.key is pressed, key under. Oh, that's right, because I don't have the fucking colon. That's why it's not working.
Oh, language. This is a family. I'm kidding.
Anyway.
I don't care as long as. Oh, we've already been demonetized by YouTube scammers. Thank you.
Self position. So self position would be y minus equals 1. Self position.
I get you.
What the hell? Why are you not working again? Oh, self dot. It's gotta have to be self dot position.
This is position here. Da-na-na-na-na-na.
Okay.
I had a really simple plan, but I love that we're gonna spend time. Well, you know, it's good. It's good because I need to also review my programming as well.
Self dot position dot y. Self dot position dot y. Okay, self dot position dot y minus equals 1. Okay, so that should give me the ability, if I save this, right? Because I'm doing this under player.
Yeah.
Here's the node, right? So I created the script. The script is next to the player, which is correct, right?
I'm gonna tell yeah. I'll keep saying yes. Go ahead.
So the player is the ball. We decided that when we put everything together, right?
Oh, that's right. This is part 3 of our first episode.
So the player is the ball. So I
Yes.
opened up, I went in here and I attached a script to player.
Oh yeah.
So script should be attached to player now, which would be what I would need to attach it to in order to be able to move the ball, correct?
That sounds good. Yes.
Okay.
Mentally in your head. Actually,
Okay.
it's kind of all wrong how you did it, but theoretically, everything you said could be correct.
Okay.
So yes.
So what's the right way to do it?
Well, okay. So first off, we're gonna go to project. I don't know if you did that already. Go to project, and we're gonna look at your input keys. That's the first thing we're gonna start with. So project settings. Yeah. Okay. Good. And let's look at input keys. So go to oh, I can draw now. Oh my God, this is great. Where's my drawing tools? Oh, I forgot how to draw
map.
here. Yes.
Input map?
Yay.
Okay.
See, I can draw. Is that great? Okay, great. And then let me look at here. Down, 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 down. Looks like you don't have it at all. You didn't program your keys. Why?
I didn't know I was supposed to program my keys.
You had YouTube video. You should have known from YouTube video.
The YouTube video just showed me the code. It didn't show me anything about programming keys.
So I've got to learn to teach you how to research. Is that right, young man?
It would seem so.
My God. Okay, anyway. So first thing is, we're going to put names here. Okay, here we go. Put names. You put a name up here because you're going to add an action.
Okay.
You want to call it player balls forward? Call them player balls. I was kidding about this, but okay. Do yourself a favor. Try not to space. It's a bad habit. Oh.
Okay, so delete that then?
Yeah, see how they do it like this? Have an underscore. That's kind of how you want to do it. It's related to other types of code where if you have spaces, it'll cause issues. So I'm trying to give you good habits, right?
Player ball forward.
Player board forward, player ball right. Oh, we're gonna have an issue later on. I just realized. So player ball forward, player ball backward, player board player ball left, player ball right. And later on we're gonna have to deal with math called a lerp. Oh man, I gotta look that code up again. Oh my gosh. FYI, note to my grief chief, we're going to need help, not just with connecting this code to the multiplayer code potentially, but the big issue is that we are running Godot, but we're using Godot 4, but we're using the GLES 3 engine. So that's going to be fun. We're going to have to sort that out later. Anyway, great. Okay. Now, what I'm going to, it's time to get into some game theory, which is a great channel, but we're not related to them. Okay, all right. So what's going to happen here is to talk about the math we're doing is that we have these 4 things here. And what's going to happen here, of course, is that let me get a different one. We don't have these movements, right? We don't have the diagonal movements.
Yeah.
Right. So it's like, just saying, let's do all this right here just to explain it, right? Okay.
So we have to add that.
No, not now.
Yeah.
But
sooner or later we will have to add that.
Yes. Okay. And I don't know when that's going to be. I think for a while we're just going to work on this and level designing through these motions because that will make level design and everything easier until we start adding all this stuff, okay? And what we're gonna have to do here is we're probably gonna have to use, I'm very afraid to tell you what this is, but you can try to look it up on your own if you want to. It's gonna be called lerp. This is this is a mathematical action that will be able to move the diagonals. It's a process of lerp.
I thought you said lurk, like with a K. Never mind.
Do you want to play? That's right. He's part of the Lurkers project. Yeah. That's right. But for general marketing, we won't say where we get our funding from to not scare off regular developers and anyone else in the audience. We are just a couple of regular game developers trying to build an army of game developers to build any type of game that we would like.
Yes.
Normal game developers. Yes.
Normal game development.
Normal
Absolutely.
game development. All right. Okay. All right. So it's going to be this lerp action, which I gotta, oh, geez, I gotta look it up. The good news is because you're just dealing with player balls, you don't have to worry about animation. It's very ballsy projects. Okay. All right. Okay. There you go. So it's lerp, 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 lerp. All right. So that's, can't even spell it or write it the right way here. Oh my God, it's terrible. All right, so that's it. But again, so in theory, in game design and game theory, right? Game design, sorry. In game design theory, we'll be focusing on these for now. And then this will also influence our level design as well. So that's the goal. And because if we build out levels on grids, right, it's going to be better to think about the grid in like forward, back, left, and right versus having all the diagonals, which would cause issues later on. And of course, there's going to be some redoing. Like we're probably gonna have to redo some of that code that you did. All right, now that you've got this, you can now assign the keys that you want it to be. And there's two keys you're gonna have, of course, right? So the standard is W, A, backwards is S, and there's a D right here, which now we've kind of messed up the thing, but you get it. Your old-fashioned Doom controls. And if you want to, we can now, we won't put the arrows in. We'll keep it to WAS. All right, okay. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit that little plus button right here. All right, there you go. Great. And then you're going to hit the key. That's easy. Yeah, you put key. And then you press the key. All right, great. Okay, and yeah, keep going. Yeah, and to note the reason why, do it again. Yeah, great. The reason why I'm saving the, the reason why I'm saving the other keys.
Oh, why did it do enter? That's not.
You pressed enter. Yeah. Okay.
So I need to remove this one.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh no.
How do I delete it? Oh, okay. Just hit the
garbage
craft.
can.
There we go.
So smart. All right. Okay.
Right is D.
Yeah. So the reason I'm keeping the other controls open, if you want multiplayer, I forgot. Do you have kids? You have kids, right?
Yes, but they are not with me all the time. I have them.
Hey, don't. Got it. Great. Well, with the arrow keys, you can have multiplayer, where your children can tear apart your game and your keyboard at the same time.
Interesting.
Yeah,
okay.
So that's why we're saving that for later. All right, so we're gonna hit that close button right here. All right, close. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I just realized something. I'm so sorry. Open it again. This is where it kind of gets annoying. Go back into the project. All right, and then project settings. Go. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a screenshot of this. Do you know how to take a small screenshot of a small area? No, you took a screenshot of everything. You took it all.
How do I take a small screenshot of a small area?
Okay. There's a thing you can search for it here because you're on Windows. Type in screenshot. There should be two types of screenshot programs. Oh my gosh! Okay, here we go. All right, there it is. Snipping tool right there. All right, you want to open that up? Yeah, and you put new.
Oh, I can just do the Windows logo, Shift, and S. Okay.
So you close the program to do that shortcut. I love your learning process. Okay, great. You might want to get that S there.
Let me try that again.
Okay. The point of this is that you won't be able to see what you name things, and we're going to need that there. Okay, great. Now what you're going to do is you're going to minimize the Godot window, right? You're going to shrink it down a little bit. I don't know. Is that it? Okay, great. Wow, that really got small. And then what you're going to do is you're going to have that screenshot you had. Where the heck did that screenshot go? Somewhere on the side. So you can, oh, yeah, you can't see it there. Where's your screenshot?
I don't know. It didn't. Screenshot. Hang on. There's my screenshot.
Are you post it there? Are you going to minimize the Discord window? And then, like, you need to see both of these things. That's one way to do it. I can tell you that. Okay, there you go.
I don't know how to post it directly onto my screen, so.
Okay, good. Okay. Well, usually I have like an extra window that pops up, but okay. All right, so what? Good, great. So now what you're going to do here is, I guess I'll teach you how to do these comments. That would be the best way, so you can just copy and paste this one. So what you want to do is make another, just put a comment here. That comment is, no, click over here on this.
I know, I'm trying to minimize a little bit more so that I can see what the fuck I'm doing, but.
That's right. Again, demonetizing us. There was never going to be any money on YouTube for us anyway.
All right.
Okay, you're going to type in that little, I used to call them the number sign. They've got, I guess, hashtag now. Darn these children. Anyway, there you go. All right, now what you want to do is you want to type in these things. Your first one is player ball forward, right? Yeah, and you got to type it with the dots.
Oh, I need to do the dot first?
No. I meant, sorry, the dashes. My language eludes me sometimes. Here's player forward. Great. Space. Just press the space. Just space, and then you're gonna put the rest of these, right? Now what you're gonna find is that there should be an autocomplete. So now that these things are actually been programmed, oh, you misspelled. Terrible. This is your time that spelling matters. Had my teachers only told me, you won't be able to program until you spell right, young man. I'd be like, yes, I need to learn how to spell. I want to make video games and blow people up legally. That would.
Oh my goodness. You're never going to get monetized.
Oh no, not talk.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
So we're good.
All right. Okay. Great. Now we have those just in case we need like. Now we can maximize our window again. Okay. So what you needed to do is that, oh, see, technically it could have worked with key W, because key W should have been activated the key, but it didn't. There might be another issue. All right. So now if I remember this right, that's always the issue with me. I don't know if I remember this right. You should be able to put this in here if I have this right, but you have a key W there. That should already automatically have done it. I don't know why. All right, we're going to see if this works. And if not, we're going to just rebuild the controller because I think it's the controller issue. All right, okay. Control V. Uh-oh.
Do I need the hashtag too?
No. You just need the player forward. Okay, and you don't need all that. You need to, get rid of the number and then get rid of all the other stuff. I think should this work? I think it should work.
I think it needs to be in parentheses.
It does. But not all of them, man. Don't you're gonna I guess you need commas. Okay, you're gonna delete everything obviously that you don't need. We're just trying to get player forward. So you want to read
okay, so we're just doing
Yeah.
And then a little more specificity next time, title.
Where's the fun in that? And where's the learning process? All right. Try to give it some quotation marks too. I think that's what we need there.
Quotation marks on player ball?
Yeah, player ball forward, right? And then the end on the forward.
Maybe that's why it wasn't working, because I didn't have key W.
No, you did. No, it's still red. Let's see what is here. An error is at key pressed. Call. The artist series doesn't match the function. All right. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do here is, for time, let's see. What we're gonna do is go ahead, select all this. You're gonna select all this right here.
Yep.
Ready? Select it. All right, and then you're going to press. You're gonna press Control K. Okay. All right, and then let's hopefully. All right, that quiets everything out, and press Control S. So what's going to happen here is anytime you get really stuck, you just comment out your line, right? That's what you do, because then it's there. You can always look back at it. And then if you want to, although Grief Chief hates it that I do this, he hates me commenting, is that later on you put the better code, and then you can use the comments to see where you got stuck from the last time. And that's part of how you research. Okay, all right. Now, all right. So, oh man, should have at least, I don't know why this is red, so I have to double check that. Now the thing is that the way that you set this up, I said was okay in theory, as this is a spatial, that's fine and dandy. But the issue is that we're trying to get a, we're not trying to move a spatial, we're trying to get a kinematic, we're trying to get a rigid body to move. That's our goal. We're trying to get a rigid body to move. And so if you click on the little scene in here. Okay, So where we should be go? Oh, wow. Why is it static body? Oh, it still says static body. Okay. All right. So this little sign is saying it's rigid body. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to program that rigid body to move.
Okay.
Right.
So then the code should be in static body instead of.
Yes. Yes. And wait, hold on a sec. Wait, time really quick. All right. So what's the difference between kinematic and static? All right. What the kinematic? So
You said kinematic is like a ghost.
It's like a ghost, right? And what I meant by that is that you have to program the movement. So what's cool about it is it's like mind powers. So this is like it's psychic. So it's like someone is mentally thinking of where it goes and then it moves that way, right? Now the opposite of what we're doing is called rigid. And what rigid does is it works with physics. And in physics, you're going to need propulsion. Propulsion? I can't spell. How do you spell propulsion? Is it P-U?
P-R-O.
Is it P-R? No way.
P-R-O-P-U-L.
That looks right.
S-I-O-N. Propulsion.
Oh my gosh. Can you imagine I've been like an English teacher for more than 12 years? Anyway, okay, great. Good job. Thank you. I could have said gas. Gas could have worked too. Anyway, my point is that it's going to move this way and it's going to need force. So what happens is the difference between these two is that this is going to be applied force, and that force is going to push it along, right? It's being pushed. Oh, why did I put this here? I could have just put push. All right. So again, get it? There's an actual force here, and this is like somebody's like mental like thoughts.
Okay.
Explain it back to me. What's different between kinematic and rigid?
Kinematic is like moving things with your brain, and rigid is moving things with physics or force.
That's right. Okay, like physical force, not that stuff that Yoda uses.
Yeah, like,
okay,
never mind. Kicking it versus thinking it.
You got it. All right. So what we're gonna do is I realized something that the easiest way. Oh God, I hope this works. Is maybe we do a car controller. That's at least what I thought. Because your thing is moving kind of like a car. And if we use that, then we'll get all the vehicle behavior, right? And yeah, in theory, this should work. Animation wise, maybe not the best, but in theory, this should work. All right, okay. All right, so I put this in, shameless plug, the BitK Discord. All right, and I got it here to take notes. Where's that? Looking for it. Where's their general chat? All right, okay. I said I might need this for later. Here, it's a car controller. All right. Because like I always have a hard time looking for the thing I'm looking for, like a physics controller. So I figured like a car controller would be best. I was gonna send it to you again, but yeah, sure, go ahead if you want to find it. Oh, where's my Discord? I'm in the Discord.
Oh no, I was just waiting for you to send it to me.
I know, I was looking for my Discord. I realized I just checked my Discord. Hold on. Gotta find. Let's go up to. So hard. Okay, let's go. And let's go here, and let's go here, and then here. All right, and then we can give this a watch. Is this short? I think it's relatively short. We've only got an hour. Okay, all right, play it. All right. Yep. Okay, and then here you go.
Oh yeah, it's only 15 seconds.
More shameless plugs. This advertising doesn't count on YouTube because they can't see the metrics.
That's some fine furniture.
Oh yeah.
Hey guys, Fun here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a car controller in the Godot engine and what not to do when creating a car controller in the Godot engine.
He talks really fast.
Let's go ahead and get into how to create a
He's got to fit in 3 minutes, the algorithm. We're going a long time. It's not going to matter. You know, this is terrible for the algorithm, this video.
A vehicle body. The name of the node is vehicle body, and it is a physics object. And then you want to give that vehicle body a collision shape. In my case, it's just a box shape to cover the mesh instance I gave it. And then you want to have 4 wheels or tires, however you would like to.
We don't need that.
Call them. And then you want a front left, front right, rear left, and rear right. And then for the purposes of this tutorial, I have given them all mesh instances with a cylinder and a black material. And then for the front left, you want to click use as steering. For the front right, you want to click use as steering. For the rear left, you want to click use as traction. And for the rear right, you want to click use as traction as well. And then for this tutorial, I have also given the car controller a camera. Now you want to create a new script on this car controller. And for the purposes of this tutorial, I've called it car controller better. And then you want to be in your physics process. And then you want to say steering is equal to input.getAxis, move right, and then move left, times.
Hey guys,
however,
whenever you're back with
when
another
it's
video
changed.
today, I'm just
So,
show you how
for
to
example, I can change this number and it should change how
right
fast
and then
I
move left.
rotate my wheels. So if I change this number, then I can turn faster. So smaller numbers, your front wheels will move slower. So 4 is a somewhat okay default. And then engine force is equal to input.getAxis, move back and move forward, times however you would like your speed. So in my case, 200. 200 is a good number. However, you could also set it to something crazy like 800 if you're creating some kind of sports racing game. As you can see, my car goes just a little bit crazy. So 200 is a nice value. And then for these axes, you just want to go to project settings, input map, and then have move forward, move back, move left, and move right. And then you can assign them to WASD or to your arrows. Now, I've showed you how to create a car controller using the Godot engine, but I'm going to show you what you should not do. So what you should not do is try to write your own car controller just by extending rigid body. This car controller will not be as good as the one that is built into Godot, and it will be lacking some of the features such as traction that the default Godot.
Oh, nice.
So you're better off just using the built-in car controller shape and just using the values that come with it instead of trying to write your own like what I tried to do here. Now, this car controller didn't really work as intended, and this doesn't take wheels or suspension into account either, so it's just worse all around than using the default Godot car controller. So if you found this video informative, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. It helps out the channel, help get content like this recommend others. That's all from me for now. Thunderbird out.
Okay. So pause right there. So the thing is that what we're doing is going to have issues later on. Don't get me wrong, but I think it's going to be good and it's going to be fast. So we're going to do that. FY BitK, we did the thing he said not to do, which means that we have to do more programming and we have to do more things to our characters and stuff like that. And ideally for your thing, if we went the way he was talking about, we could probably get more into like having some weirder more weirder ball behaviors, if that makes any sense, like ball specific behaviors. But yeah. I say let's experiment. I want to paste in the screenshot from the code, and we'll see where this goes. Let's see. Hold on. Press shrink this down, and I got it right here. Okay, so now where this happens again is that you're going to have basically 2 windows open. You're going to have the window to program in, and you're going to look at your example. This is why a lot of programmers have 2 screens. I'm not telling you to buy 2 screens because, I don't know if it's good or bad for the environment, but you're going to have to figure a way to minimize one window and be able to look at the code in the other window, right? So in our Discord, I've got the code snippet. I could do a better snippet. Sorry. Let me do a better snippet.
I can do this and then do this again.
Okay, cool. And then what we're going to do is you're not going to be programming in that spatial, right? You're going to be setting up a new. Oh, actually, we're going to do 2 things. First off, we're going to change type again. So,
don't worry, I got this.
I know. Well, welcome to the problem with Windows when you're
I'm
actually.
gonna finger this out.
Ha! Did you say figure this out? Oh, we're
did.
definitely not getting monetized.
Why are you not?
Oh my god, it's looking like an IMAX movie, all blurry.
Okay. Okay, I think I can work with that now.
Okay, I'm gonna. Oh wait, hold on. So first things first. Let's set this up properly. Change this one here to car. Whoa, you're in the wrong spot now. Delete.
Oh,
you're in that
static. Okay. Yep.
Yeah, you're still in the wrong spot. Okay, first off, let's set this up. Okay, we're gonna change type again. Change type.
Change the name of static body to car.
No, we're changing the type. But I love your thinking. Go
Okay.
over here. Oh my god! My god, no. Okay, click. Okay, click on this. We gotta change type. Okay, I think it's like, yeah. Click on the little picture. There you go. Change type. Change type.
Change type.
There you go. All right. Now we're gonna find the car thing.
Vehicle body.
There you go. All right. I click that over there. All right, change. Great. Now that we got that, you're now going to add a new script. So here, hit that little plus sign right here. Oh, okay. Again, marble that acts like a car. No. Click on marble.
Yep.
Okay, there's a plus sign now. Now you're going to add the script. Great. And then you're going to call it. Okay, that also works. Did you check your path? Oh, well. Where did you put that? Did you put it in scripts? Okay, it's in scripts. Yeah. Where did you save it?
Yeah, it's in scripts.
Oh, you did save it.
Marble.gd.
But it's not in the script file. Go to File, Save As. Okay, Save As. Okay. Oh, good. It is here. Oh, nice. Okay, hit save. I think it is. Wait. Oh, wait. It's in player directory.
Okay.
Okay. We'll sort this out later if we have to. All right. Okay. So now it extends vehicle body. Now you should be able to use this and put it in here. Right?
Okay.
But you're gonna, yeah, you got it. Functions, and it'd be space underscore physics process delta.
Is that physics underscore process? What is that? Is that a?
It's delta dash float
Yeah,
less
but
than minus 2 void.
Is that parentheses?
You can use the. Oh, okay. That we could do that. All right. Okay.
Delta. Okay, you're blocking the text.
Oh, really? Huh.
Delta colon
Nice, smaller.
space float,
Okay.
and then that is what everything that's inside of the parentheses. And then what? Dash.
Minus.
Oh.
No, not dash. It's like a minus sign. It's like
Minus arrow. Void.
Yeah, space void. Colon. Okay. Enter. All right. Tab. Press tab. Oh,
Tab?
wait. You're mute. Wait. Hold on. Go back here. Are you missing something? Go back. I want to. Okay, functions there. Okay, so hold on. Sorry. Go.
Yeah. No, we're good.
No.
I think everything's typed out.
Okay, yeah. Go down. You're okay. I need you to go back because I can't see all the tabs. You gotta scroll this back over here. Oh, I'm sorry. Hit this button right here. I almost forgot. Yo, hit this button. There, that's better. Okay, all right. Now, what we're gonna do here is you've got too many tabs on stuff. Get rid of this line right here. Can you delete it? Delete line. Okay, great. Now what you want to do with one tab, do the rest. Steering.
Do I need? Okay, so yep. Okay, steering.
Okay, I think it's is there a big minus? Looks like a
Is
big
that an
minus.
equal sign?
I can't. Hold on. Let me see on mine.
Steering equals.
Yeah, it's an equal sign. Yes, it is. Equal space
Steering.
input dot get access, get underscore access. Okay, now what you're gonna do is put parentheses. And what? Hold on. I want you to go. Whoa. Oh no! Stop. Go back to stop. That's their code. It's not your code. Go to sphere.
Gotcha.
Go to sphere over here. Go back to sphere. All right. Get this comment. This is what
Player
we need.
ball forward. Player ball left.
Actually, you need player ball left and right. So grab that right there. So grab all that. Can you select
No,
it?
I can't grab it. It's all blacked out.
Why can't you? You should be able to select it.
Because it's blacked out.
What do you mean it's black?
You had me black it out with Shift K or Control K or whatever.
I did. You should still be able to select it. Yo, click on it. Can you click on it?
Okay.
Yeah. Control C. My God, did you just whine to me?
Oh,
Dear Lord, how dare you?
I know. All right.
All right. Okay. All right.
So we want player ball left.
Yeah, we want player ball. Player ball right and player ball left. Those are the two we want.
You want both of them in the same parentheses?
According to their programming, I do. Yeah, I do. Okay, put them in.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Okay, Control C and then Control V inside. Okay, all right. Then you're gonna put a comma right here between the two. Because that's how you separate things, right? Put a comma. Okay, great. I hope you put a comma. All right, okay. And then you got to put quotation marks on the front and the back of that inside the parentheses, just like they did in the code, right? Okay, good. And then go to the other side. I think it's all the way over here at the very end. Oh yeah, there's like one. There's one.
It does it on both of them.
Yeah, good job.
Yeah,
All
that's
right,
weird.
okay. These are string values. It says it right there.
Okay.
They're strings. Okay, all right. And now, boy, it's a little asterisk and the rest of it, right? 0.01. And let's hope this works.
Space asterisk.
Yeah.
Space 0.1.
Yeah. Now the thing is we have no wheels on this. So this is where I don't know if this will work. We're gonna try. Press enter. And here's our force. Engine force. Engine force. Okay.
Equals input dot get axis.
Oh yeah.
Parentheses.
Yeah.
Move back, move forward, or whatever my stuff. Yeah. Player ball.
Yeah. I don't know if you should.
Forward.
I don't know if you can change the order of these values, but we'll find out. Because if the values are switched, then everything will work backwards, and then we can fix it later. I'm always about fixing it later. Okay, all right, and then you gotta put quotation marks in each one.
Okay, and then that is asterisk
I
two.
don't know if you can.
Okay, done.
All right. Okay, great. Okay, so now press Control S. Make the screen bigger, and let's see what we can do here. Okay, all right. So let's go back to level 1.
How do I get back to that?
Click over here.
3D?
Just click. No, like click on. Oh, click on level 1.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Gotcha.
All right. And then we need to get out of code view. So get right here. Minimize the view. Right here. Woo. This is why I have this now. All right. Okay. So. Okay. All right. So then go into. Well, we don't have that there. Go into 3D. Click on 3D right here. Okay, and cross your fingers. Let's hope this works.
Hit the play button.
Yeah, I'm so scared. Let's see if this works. Okay, can you move it around? Press W, A, S, or D.
I cannot.
Okay, all right. Press, close it right here. This should have worked. All right, go over here, go to player. No, click on player here. Click on editable children.
Where's that? Right click?
Right click it and go to editable children.
Edible children?
Yeah, it sounds like you're gonna eat them. Yes. All right, and I want to check if this here. So this is here. Oh, do me a favor, detach this script because we're not using it right now.
How do I detach?
Click player, and then you just click this right here. This detaches the script. Okay, all right, and we have Marvel, and should be working to be honest. Okay, all right, and all right.
Maybe I had to detach the other script first.
Maybe.
Give it a shot. See what happens real quick.
All right, can you move it around?
Negative.
I wonder if it's because we need wheels. Because their thing actually has wheels.
Didn't he had a whole other step though, remember? He had turning attached to left and right, and then he had traction attached to forward backward, remember?
Okay, go and show me in the video, because I wonder if we need wheels for an actual car. Like I don't, because we're making like a carless car.
How do I go back to the video?
By watching the commercial, obviously. It's like,
is it playing the same video over again?
No, it's playing a different one now.
Almost overnight.
Okay, now, whoa, replay quickly before it. There we go.
Okay, so.
Hey guys, Fun over here, back distance I gave it, and then you want to have 4 wheels or tires, however you would like to call them, and then you want left, front right, rear left, and rear right. And then for the purposes of this tutorial, I have given them all mesh instances with a cylinder and a black material. And then for the front left, you want to click use as steering. For the front right, you want
so use as steering for front left or front right.
Steering. For the rear left, you want to click
use as traction.
And for the rear.
So if I just used the ball itself and used it as steering and traction,
I don't know if that would work. I think it has to calculate for a 4-wheel vehicle. So now we're at a point where we can either create invisible wheels, but that's going to create some. Actually, I wonder if that would work. I wonder if that would work.
Once we get to the points where these marbles have skins on them, we want them to be able to roll, right? So
well, I was thinking actually more like a monkey ball or a hamster wheel. That way they don't necessarily have to spin crazy where the person might get sick. So like could be potentially like an inside gyroscope, and the inside ball would actually be the logo or the whatever image you want in there. Does that make sense? And that way it's like a constant, like Super Monkey Ball. I don't think he spins around. So, or like a hamster ball. That was my thoughts. But does that kind of make, I don't know if that makes any sense. But
no, it makes sense. I was looking at it more as like a third person view type racing game where like the ball would be, I understand what you're saying. You don't think the image should be spinning around as the ball.
Yeah, that might make people a little sick.
I'm good with that.
Okay. So I don't know. I guess we could. All right, let's try it this way. Go to a second example. I want to see a second example because I think his second example was more like how we did BitK. Like go at the very end because he talks about what not to do.
I've showed you how to create a car controller using the Godot engine, but I'm going to show you what you should not do. So what you should not do is try to write your own car controller just by extending rigid body. This car controller will not be as good as the one that is built into Godot, and it will be lacking some of the features such as traction that the default Godot car controller has. So you're better off just using the built-in car controller shape and just using the.
Should we try using the janky script?
Features.
Yeah, I think so.
Default.
But hold on though, like I'm trying to, oh man, my thing is all blurry here. Hold on, I'm trying to look at his code for his input. Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna see his end.
Input, get action strength, move forward. Input, get action strength, move back. On the so Z equals input, get action strength, move forward. Input, get action strength, move back. X equals input, get action strength, move left. Input, get action strength, move right. Apply central impulse global underscore transform dot basis Z equals delta plus speed or times speed.
Right. And then here's the key though, right? This is great right here. What does it say here? Is it a vehicle or is it a rigid body?
It says it's rigid body.
Then hot dog, this should be it.
Okay.
All right. So what we're gonna do is like, oh man, okay.
Can you screenshot that and
Yeah.
drop it in our Discord chat?
Yeah, I'll screenshot it right now.
Oh wait, I
Okay.
guess I could probably do it since I know how to now.
Yeah, you could.
Let me try that and see what happens here.
I did for you, but you should do it yourself too.
Well, yeah, because I got to get used to doing this shit myself, right?
I know. And then you can help us program more stuff. That's the goal here. Everyone, if we get more people just programming stuff, then we'll be able to, like, I don't know, compete with major studios.
Oh, why does mine look all blurry?
Yeah, I know. It's okay. We don't.
It's weird. Okay. So basically I need to do this.
Yeah, with a rigid. So we're going to change it from. Yeah, we're going to change it from vehicle to rigid body. So we're going to go back into Godot. All right, we're going to go back into Godot. I have to wake up my daughter in about 4 minutes. Okay. All right. Actually, maybe while you do this, I can go get my daughter.
I can keep fucking around with it messing. I can keep messing around with it.
We should have a swear jar. We'd make more money from you.
So we're
cursing
turning,
Sorry.
we're turning marble back.
No.
into-
Hold on. Get rid of edible children. So go back here. We're gonna unedit these children. Go back here and go click. Okay, click it. Just click. All right, and click off. Turn this off. Right. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. All right, and then you're gonna go back here to the sphere, right? And then in the marble script right here. Oh yeah, change it. Oh, you're right. I was wrong. You're right. Change the type first.
Yep.
Change
Back to
it
rigid.
Yeah. Oh no, there's it right there. Change it back to rigid.
Okay.
Okay, click
And then
this.
go add that into the script.
Yeah, and to be honest, since we're not using vehicle, but oh, see, this is why this is a problem. You have to change this to rigid body now too. Go type in rigid. Hopefully it finds it. There it is. It found it. Rigid body. Great. Okay. And now, yeah, you're going to do the thing. And good. You got rid of the stuff you didn't need and you kept the stuff you did need. All right. I'm going to go wake up my daughter. I'll be right back.
Okay. No worries.
Godot car controller has. So you're better.
Oh, okay. R, C.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see. Input delta. Oh yeah. You could have made it big again. If you wanted
What's
to.
up?
Oh, you could have made the thing bigger.
Oh,
If you
well,
want.
it was
It's okay.
bigger when you were reading to me. Are you going to start reading to me again?
Do you want?
I can't see anything. So
No, not that bit. I meant this one. Did you already click? Oh, did you already click this? Did you click this thing already right here? I think you might have. Like, click
yeah.
that.
Oh yeah. I'm already in the code editor thing.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm trying to set it up to where I can see everything, but I can't get this shit to move right. Can you get rid of this bar up here for a second? How do I
Which
get rid of
bar?
this bar? The one that says you are screen sharing, stop sharing.
No.
I need this bar to go away.
You may never get rid of that bar.
That's what I needed.
You
I
gotta
needed that bar
minimize
to go
this.
away.
You gotta minimize these things.
Okay, there we go.
Welcome to win. There you go. Oh my God, gold star.
Jesus, criminy Christmases. Okay, get underscore action underscore strength.
Yeah, and remember that instead of these move, when you get to these points, it's not move forward. It's whatever you named yours.
Yeah. Yep.
Maybe we should have named ours move forward. Wanted to
No,
get
that's
fancy
fine.
with player balls.
I mean, it would have been easier and faster to type, but that's okay.
Well, you have your shortcuts. You get used to like you can. I gotta teach you how to use that. See how it pops up everything. There's a way you can like click those, or press enter, and then it makes coding faster. I had to get used to it.
Forward, and then that would be back up.
Yeah, but I'm wondering why. No, we got all the variables there. This should work.
Space dash space input dot get underscore action underscore strength. Sorry, I am a very slow typer, so
Oh, don't worry about it. You'll
you
get
will have
better.
to
And
get used to that.
hey, with better accuracy is fine right now. I'll be more important. It gets faster. I'm thinking about like studying Python so I can get into like AI stuff.
Player ball backward. Okay. So that is the first, that should be the first line. Now we need to do move left and move right.
Was the X? Yeah, that's gonna be the X one.
But I did Z already. So
You
this
did
next
Z.
one would be, oh, back. Next one would be X equals, and I already have all the stuff that I need right in front of me. So input dot get underscore action underscore strength. You know, I could easily just like copy and paste this back in here and then just change these.
You could? Yeah, why not?
That would be the smarter move.
Could be.
Let's do that.
Some people like typing it out because they like to, like, you know, they like to see everything, but I'm like, no, it's better. Let's just learn how to copy and paste. And then Microsoft has that AI programmer thingy, so that's another thing. I'm still debating about using that or not. I gotta check what the license is, but
Yeah.
I don't know if you're aware of that. Like GitHub has got like this AI that helps you program stuff. I don't know if it's good for Godot, but it's like this thing. I also don't know if it's free still or I have to pay for it.
Okay, so that's done.
Okay, cool. And
So
then
next is, what is all that shit? Apply
central impulse. Again, these are your forces. So apply
Oh
central
wait, I have to
impulse.
do the. Okay, yeah. So
Oh, did you put the variables on the top? Yeah, you did the variables. Yeah.
yes, I did.
Oh,
Yeah.
perfect.
Apply. Oh, I don't have the little thingy majigger.
I mean, underscore.
Apply
Underscore. Yeah. So there it is. Look, and it automatically comes up.
Apply central impulse.
Yeah, all that stuff. Transform.
Global transform. Oh, why did you do that? Global transform. There's got to be a faster way. Can I tab through those and then just hit enter?
Yeah, ideally. I don't know if it's tab. I think it's just arrow keys.
Global transform dot basis.
It's like getting used to it though, because like often you'll hit the wrong one.
Times
Delta.
What?
Delta.
I'm lost for a second here. Oh wait, no, I did the wrong one. It's Z times
oh, you put Y. That could cause us issues later on.
Dot Z times Z times
Delta
times
speed. Yeah.
Okay.
This is all high school math. You might have forgot.
Oh, I definitely did. Most
Is
definitely.
This is actually the physics class from high school.
If Z equals 1 or Z equals -1.
Yeah, so equals means equals itself. So
need
if
an
Z
extra
equals
space
itself,
here,
or
right?
Z
Oh, that's
equals
got
its
a
own one.
that's got a
Comment. Oh,
so that's
okay.
just a comment. I don't need that in there?
I'd put it in just in case because we are. Well, hold on. I'd put it because we're copying this code. I would actually put it just in case. So
Okay.
the reason why that the comment stays as a note. So if something goes wrong or we need to look back, we'll see that, and that might be important later on why something's not working.
Z equals 1 or Z equals -1.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Apply torque.
Apply torque impulse.
Yeah. Yes, torque impulse. Okay.
Torque
Yeah,
impulse.
Good. Global transform. See if you can find global transform. Was it? Yeah, good. Global transform. Basis dot y times
times delta times speed.
Speed. Great. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
cool. And then we need a function process, function physics process, delta, float, all that stuff down there.
Physics.
Which I'm going to say this is ironic. You deleted this part of the code. You actually already had typed this out prior, I believe. So that's why it's good to comment out code just in case, because you might be able to reuse it. Or if, unless it gets too messy, sometimes it's better to erase.
Float.
Right, float.
Space
minus. Void colon, enter, input, and let's hope this works. Input. All right, delta. Okay. And... Oh, wait a minute. Why is it still
parsing expression misplaced function?
Oh, you have a tab. Get on the function process, get rid of that tab.
This one?
No, go to line 15. Actually, that one too. That one too, you're right. But
get rid of this tab?
Yeah. Press backspace. And then on input delta, you have another tab there you don't need. There you go. Now it's not so angry. All right. Woo, Control S.
Control S.
And then we are gonna hope this works. Go to level. I don't know if it's gonna work, to be honest. So hopefully it works. Go to
we're about to find out, eh?
Yeah, go to level. Okay. Are you in level? Okay. Let's press. Okay, go press the scene. Okay. Yeah, press the not that button. That button right there. Press it. No. Okay, yes, I want that one. Okay. And
what happened? I lost it.
I don't know. Okay, all right. Oh, I'm so scared to see this work. Okay, move the WSAD keys.
Nothing.
Okay, go to sphere. Hold on. Wait. Okay. Go. Oh no. Go to player. Go to player.
Okay.
Actually, sorry. Go to sphere. Go to sphere. Go to the sphere scene. Go. Oh, that's one way to do it. Okay. All right. Go to marble. Like click on marble. No. No. Marble here and this one right here.
This one? Yeah.
Okay. Go to right click it. Okay, and then go to make as scene, or save branches scene. Save branches scene. Or there you go. Save branches scene. Go into player. Okay, then press save. All right, and then let's go into level. All right, we're gonna delete this one. Delete this player. We're gonna delete this node.
Completely delete it?
Yeah. Where is delete?
Delete?
Is there really no delete? Oh, delete nodes right there in the very bottom. All right, press OK. All right, and then what you're gonna do is bring in the marble. So grab this one here, marble scene. All right, and just drag that up. Drag this up. Oh no, don't. Go back to level. Go back to level. Okay, drag this marble into level. All right, go all the way up and let it go. Okay. Okay, why is it okay? And then go over here into transform.
Okay.
Okay, all right. And then we're going to move this translate on was it Y or Z? I can't remember how to move it up. I think it was it Y or Z? I can't remember. I think it's
Y is up, I think.
Is it Y? All right, put 1.
No.
Where'd it go? Maybe 10. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, put 5. Oh wait, okay, I guess 10 was really high. Put 10, 5. Okay, good. All right, okay. Now hold on, just in case, go to scene right here. We're gonna save this scene, right? We're not messing with sphere. So go to scene over here. No, see, I mean literally like scene. All right, go to save scene. We just want to save this. Oh, it is Control S. All right. Okay, and then we're gonna play this scene alone. So you gotta refresh the scene. I'm hoping it works. And okay, so we did WSAD, right?
Nothing.
Oh, Why are you not working? We had everything programmed in. Well, at least it's not giving us any errors, but it's not moving anything. Why is it not moving anything? Okay, all right. One more thing. If not, I'm gonna have to figure this out later. Go into project. Go into the project settings. All right, and I'm looking at this. Look, we have all these in key press. These are all key press. All right, let me go down. Go down. Press plus here. Press the plus here. Hold on. There's physical, and we also did. Okay, try this one. Put physical key. Okay, press up arrow. Just press the arrow key up. Okay, press OK. All right, that's forward. Okay, all right, we're just gonna save this at put close. Okay, all right. Run it again. Okay, all right, and all right, just try to press the arrow.
No, because the arrow won't work because we don't have the. Oh, I guess no. I guess it's still under the same.
Yeah. It should be calling the function. I wonder why
The
it's not
arrow's
calling.
still not working.
I wonder why it's not calling the function. It should be moving it. It should be applying impulse. Action strength move forward.
Player ball forward, up physical W. Yeah, it should be working. I would assume if it's still under player ball forward.
Yeah, and then we'll go into the code, and then if not, we're just gonna have to wait until next time so I can potentially figure this out. All right, okay, go to marble, go into go to scene. Okay, and I'll go into the code right here. And I moved it to marble because I thought maybe it wasn't calling it. All right, and then let me grab this right here. Grab this right here. New. And I need this to totally work. Why not working? All right, and I'll put it in here. All right, so I'm gonna call it a day for right now because now we just have to figure out how this works. If you want to try to debug it, it's fine. Just make sure you comment things out, or make a copy. Make a copy if you want to try to program this out. But this should have worked. I don't know why I did. Oh, wait a minute here. Hold on. Wait, is it Y in theirs? Do you have no, theirs is Y. Applied torque impulse, but basis is dot Y dot X dot speed. Yeah, I mean I don't see it here because I'm looking at his example. I'm just checking everything. Var float, var speed, and it doesn't stop us anywhere. It's not saying error. Var X float, export speed float, action strength. We have player ball forward, get action strength, move back. Get action strength, move forward, and then Z and X. I want to make sure. Yeah, those are good. Get action strength. Get action strength. Player ball. Right. Okay. All right. Apply impulses there. ZZ delta speed. Apply torque impulse. That's the same thing as I saw before. X. And again, it's not causing us any errors. Gosh darn it. And then function delta delta. It's like it's not finding it. All right. And then go over here quickly to go to debugger. Down here, can you click debugger?
Where's
Yeah, see, there's nothing. Child process connected. Oh, it's not like you need to do this to actually have signals. So why are you not working? All right, and let's see. I guess we'll do one more thing. We'll look at his video really quick. I'm gonna take a look at his video and how he had his setup. Well, he has his vehicle control. So he's showing the script, the bad script, but he's not showing if it's connected. But I don't think he's doing any signals or anything like that. All right, I hate to leave it on a disappointment.
No, it's fine.
I cannot see what is wrong with this, like at present, because he's using a rigid body. So what is going on with this one? I guess like, okay, so let's see, I gotta stop myself. All right, let's give us 3 more minutes before my daughter's late for school. Go to YouTube. Like click on YouTube. Da-da-da. Can you click it? I know it's annoying. The whole thing would share. No, I meant click on. You had a YouTube open, YouTube window, because we're gonna try to see if we can find another example. Okay, there's YouTube. All right, okay. Type in a search. Okay. All right, what we're gonna type here is Godot 4. Godot.
I'm using
4.
Godot 3. Does that matter?
Oh, that could matter. That could matter. that might matter. Okay, all right. That because like it might matter actually because that might matter. All right. No. Don't not keep. No. You're gonna get something.
Okay.
Go back. Godot 3. Okay, Godot 3. Rigid body.
Movement?
Maybe.
Motion?
Click on movement. Maybe it's movement. If I was gonna say controller, but
Rigid body variable basics in 3 minutes.
yeah, click it. Oh, good.
It's 3D too, right?
Yeah. I go to the first one. Unless he's just doing environmental stuff.
Smarter and faster. With Wix, you can edit your meta tags page by.
So you want to know what the variables for rigid bodies mean, but you have patience of a bored puppy? Mass equals how heavy an object is. Objects with greater mass are harder to push. Physical
Yeah,
material-
but his controller. No, this isn't it. He's talking about interacting with rigid bodies, not controlling a rigid body. So go to rigid body controller. Go up and put. Oh, actually, wait. Go down. Hold on a sec. Scroll down. This isn't a controller. This is how to use. Click it. Let's see if there's.
He's not saying anything. He's just going through the motions, it looks like.
I don't think he's doing a controller. All right, we're gonna go to our good old friend. Actually, I know this guy. Go back. Here. Yeah, he's gonna talk. So I don't think he's gonna have a controller. All right, go right here. Here we go. Kinematic to rigid body. Oh no, see, he's doing kinematic to gosh darn it. Okay. Yeah, okay. So go back to your Godot. Type in the search again. Godot 3 rigid body and then space controller. Okay, enter, and then I've got to get ready. Okay. And this is how to use it, but is he actually, there's demo. That's
Third person
2D one.
controller with download.
Oh, great. Okay, click on that one. He's actually, okay, click on that one. Okay, cool. And it's
Maybe
2 years ago,
that's
so
the
it's good.
problem. Maybe I don't have it downloaded.
What download?
Maybe I need to actually like download a controller. I don't know.
No. If you download a controller, you're just copying it. You could copy his thing. So yeah, this is an example of this. So what you could do is, I guess, definitely like his stuff. So, okay, copy this reference, send this into the Discord.
Copy this.
Yeah, share it and then share it in the Discord. And then share so that we have it for reference. And then it might, you know what, to be honest, it might not have, I don't know. It might not have worked because you might have been using Godot 4 code and a Godot 3 thing. And then, all right, click on here to show more. Whoa, go up. Go down. All right, go to show more. Whoa, why do you keep moving away from show more? Go to show more. Down. We're looking for, there it is. There is the file on GitHub. So you could download that project and see how it works.
This one right here.
Yeah, I gotta go take my daughter to school.
Okay, no worries.
And I can see where you are tomorrow. You play around with this even more.
So did that
Yeah.
I just gotta hit download this right here?
Yeah, there should be a zip. You should be able to give you a zip file.
Let's find out.
Yeah, there it is. There's a zip file right there. And you can open it up and then play around with it and see how he did his version.
So where's the which one do I want to use here?
You have to open his project right here on Godot, and then after you, okay,
Oh,
yeah,
me
you go
get that.
back. Yeah, you download his project. After you download it and unzip it, then you open this up with Godot, and then you should be able to look through his files. Just like,
Okay.
yeah, I definitely gotta get going. I'm gonna be late.
Okay, you're good.
All right, I will see you tomorrow. Like I said, if you want to play around with this or what you learned, that's gonna be great. And if not, I'll try to help you figure